Welcome to Math Simplified. This video is for 9th standard students. Please subscribe and share with your friends also. Before going to the exercise, let me quickly teach you two formulas which are very important. First one is square root of x multiplied by square root of x is equal to x for any value of x. So here example, I have taken square root of 5 multiplied by square root of 5 is equal to 5. It can be any number. Next one is x plus y into x minus y is equal to x square minus y square. So here let me take the value of x as root 3 and y as root 2. So root 3 plus root 2 multiplied by root 3 minus root 2 will be root 3 square minus root 2 square. We know what is root 3 square. Just now I told you it will be 3. And root 2 square again will be 2. So 3 minus 2, 1. So this is the way we will do these sums, and we are going to use them in the exercise. Okay, let's go to exercise 2.7. Rationalize the denominator. What does this mean, rationalize the denominator? So we should only look at the denominator, don't look at the numerator. Denominator, if it is an irrational number, we should convert it into a rational number. So here in the denominator we have root 50. So I want to make it into a rational number. So I will multiply it again with root 50. We know what is root 50 into root 50. It becomes 50. So since I am multiplying the denominator by root 50, I should also multiply the numerator by root 50. Okay, so I am going to multiply 1 upon root 50 multiplied by root 50 upon root 50. Numerator becomes root 50, denominator becomes 50. Now simplify it. You know what is 50? Root 25 into 2. So square root of 25 is 5. And root 2, leave it as it is, upon 50. Again further simplify it. It becomes root 2 upon 10. Here 5 upon 3 root 5. Look at the denominator only. There is a root 5 here. So we are going to multiply numerator and denominator with root 5. Okay. So once you multiply the numerator, this becomes 5 root 5. And denominator becomes 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15. Again, you can 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. So this becomes root 5 upon 3. Next sum, root 75 upon root 18. First let's simplify it. Root 75 is 25 into 3. So root of 25 is 5. So this becomes 5 root 3. Similarly, denominator becomes 3 root 2. Now we look at the denominator only. Here root 2 is there. So we are going to multiply this whole expression with root 2 upon root 2. So root 2 into root 2 becomes 2. 3 2s are 6. Here 5 into root 3 into root 2 is root 6. So this is our answer. Next sum, 3 root 5 upon root 6. So here the denominator is root 6. So you are going to multiply it with root 6 upon root 6. Simple. Now you just multiply this. This becomes 3 root 30. 6 5s are 30. Upon root 6 into root 6 is 6. And then you can simplify it further. You will get root 30 upon 2. Question 2. Rationalize the denominator and simplify. The same steps. There is nothing different in this. You look at the denominator, multiply here. Here you have to use the other formula. X plus y into x minus y is equal to x square minus y square. So here we have x minus y. I am going to multiply it with x plus y. Okay, using that formula, the second one. So here it is root 27 minus root 18. So I am going to multiply here with root 27 plus root 18. Numerator also with the same. So this, put it in a bracket. This expression multiplied by root 27 plus 18, root 18. This also in a bracket. Denominator becomes, according to the formula, x minus y into x plus y is x square minus y square. So root 27 square minus root 18 square. Root 27 square we know is 27. This is 18. So 27 minus 18 is 9. So the denominator becomes 9. Okay. So that is easy. Now you have to simplify the numerator. First simplify it, bring it to the simpler form. Root 48 is 4 root 3, root 32 is 4 root 2, root 27 is 3 root 3, root 18 is 3 root 2. So put all these values here, and see here I have again written it down, and you put it in the numerator and simplify it, you will get this answer. Question 2. 5 root 3 plus root 2 upon root 3 plus root 2. Only look at the denominator, don't bother about the numerator. So here this denominator is in the form x plus y. So we will multiply it with x minus y. That. So here x is root 3, y is root 2. You are multiplying root 3 minus root 2. Numerator as well as the denominator. So on simplifying the denominator, you will get root 3 square minus root 2 square. This is 3 minus 2. Now the numerator, you have to multiply these two. Put it in a bracket and multiply them. Open the brackets, you will get the answer. Question 3. Okay. So here 2 root 6 minus root 5 upon 3 root 5 minus 2 root 6. Look at the denominator. Again it is in the form x minus y. So multiply it with x plus y. Here x is 3 root 5 and y is 2 root 6. Multiply numerator and denominator like this. Open the bracket. Multiply the denominator. You will get it in the form x square minus y square. So here this will be 3 3s are 9. 9 into 5, 45. 2 2s are 4. 4 into 6, 24. So this is the denominator. Numerator also, open the brackets. You will get these values. So simplify it further, you will get the answer. So okay, here we have these two fractions. Root 5 upon root 6 plus 2 minus root 5 upon root 6 minus 2. These are first fractions. You do the cross multiplication and simplify it. So once you simplify it, you will get this answer. The denominator you are multiplying, this is in the form x plus y into x minus y. This becomes like this. Root of 6 square minus 2 square. So 6 square is, root of 6 square is 6 minus 2 2s are 4. Numerator also, open the bracket and simplify, you will get the answer. Question 3. Find the value of a and b if this expression is equal to a root 7 plus b. Okay, so take this expression, and here the denominator is in the form x plus y. Multiply it with x minus y. Here x is root 7, y is 2. So multiply numerator and denominator like this. Simplify the numerator and the denominator will become root of 7 square minus 2 square. That is 7 minus 4. Okay, 7 minus 4. And numerator, if I simplify, I will get like this. So write it in a simpler form like this. We are writing it in this form because we want to compare it with this expression, a root 7 plus b. So you can see what is the coefficient of root 7. So here it is root 7. So minus 4 by 3. So a is equal to minus 4 by 3 and b is the constant 11 by 3. This is the answer. You have to compare it with this expression, the answer that you have got. Next question, number 4. If x is equal to root 5 plus 2, then find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. This is a very simple sum. Please follow the steps carefully. You will get the answer easily. X is equal to root 5 plus 2. So what is 1 upon x? 1 upon root 5 plus 2. Okay, rationalize the denominator. We already know the method. Multiplied by root 5 minus 2. Both numerator and denominator. So numerator becomes root 5 minus 2. Denominator is, this will be 5. Root 5 whole square is 5 minus 2 square is 4. So 5 minus 4 is 1. So this is 1 upon x is equal to root 5 minus 2. Okay. Now this is a formula. Please remember this. This is very important. X plus 1 upon x whole square is equal to x square plus 2 into x into 1 upon x plus 1 upon x the whole square. This is a formula. So now we are going to put it. Put what is x? X is root 5 plus 2 and 1 upon x is root 5 minus 2 the whole square. So here this plus 2 minus 2 will cancel out. So 2 root 5 whole square. 2 square is 4. Root 5 square is 5. So 4 5s are 20. So this becomes 20. Okay, 20 is equal to x square plus this x will cancel. X square plus 2 plus 1 upon x square. Okay, so 20 is equal to this value. So what is x square plus 1 upon x square? It will be 20 minus 2. The 2 will come on this side. So that is equal to 18. So this is the answer. Question 5. Given root 2 is equal to 1.414, find the value of this expression up to 3 places of decimal. So take the expression, rationalize the denominator, multiply it by root 3 plus 2 root 2 upon 3 plus 2 root 2. Once you multiply this, the numerator you can simplify. Denominator will be what? 3 square minus 2 root 2 whole square. So you simplify the numerator. This will be 9. This will be 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8. 9 minus 8, that is 1. And if you simplify this, you get 4 plus root 2. Okay. See here. 16 root 2 minus 15 root 2 becomes root 2. 24 minus 20 is 4. So this is what you get. Now the value of root 2 is 1.414. So put 1.414 here, add it, you will get the answer 5.414. Here we come to the end of this exercise. Please go through the video once again, pause the video in each sum and practice them.